This isn't just another foldable. This is the Honor Magic V Flip 2, rocking a 200MP camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and a massive 5500 mAh battery in a slim foldable body. But the question is, has Honor just created the best flip phone of 2025? Let's find out. Unfold it and you're looking at a 6.9mm thin design, which is crazy slim for a foldable. Fold it shut and it's compact at just 15.5mm thickness. The aluminum frame feels premium, the hinge is smooth, and at 204 grams, it's lighter than some regular flagships. Oh, and yes, it's IP58/IP59 rated, meaning dust protection and water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. That's rare in foldables. Now let's talk screens. Inside, you're getting a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED with 120Hz refresh, HDR, Dolby Vision, and 5000 nits peak brightness. That's brighter than most TVs. But here's the killer part. The 4-inch cover display isn't just for notifications. It's a full OLED with 120Hz, HDR, and 3600 nits brightness. Basically, you can use it like a mini phone without even opening the flip. Powering it all is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing 4K video, this thing doesn't break a sweat. Magic OS 9 on top of Android 15 also feels optimized. Animations are fluid, and Honor has clearly polished the foldable experience. This is where it gets wild. A 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS. Photos are insanely sharp in daylight, with impressive detail even when zoomed in. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide is equally solid, especially for landscapes and group shots. And for selfies, you're looking at a 50-megapixel front camera. Or, better yet, use the cover screen to take selfies with the rear 200-megapixel sensor. Honestly, this might be the best camera setup on any flip phone yet. Foldables usually suffer in this department, but Honor came prepared. 5500 mAh battery, bigger than most non-foldables. Add 80-watt wired fast charging, full in just 42 minutes, and 50-watt wireless charging, plus reverse wireless. This phone doesn't just last, it charges faster than most flagships. Stereo speakers tuned really well, loud and clear, perfect for movies or gaming. No headphone jack, but that's expected. You also get NFC, an IR blaster, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and the latest Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX adaptive support for high-quality wireless audio. So here's the deal. The Honor Magic V Flip 2 nails almost everything. Gorgeous displays, insane 200-megapixel camera, flagship performance, huge battery, and premium build, all in a slim foldable form. The only downside? Price. It's not cheap. But if you're looking for the best flip phone of 2025, this might be it. What do you think? Would you pick the Honor Magic V Flip 2 over Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews.